Matapos na masungkit ang kanyang ikalawang world title, hindi pa tapos ang laban para sa 18-year-old jet ski racer na si Anton Ignacio na nakatakdang sumabak sa isa pang kompetisyon bago matapos ang taon. Ang detalye sa sentro ng balita ni Daryl Oclares.
Sa edad na 18, hindi lamang isa kundi dalawang World Championships na ang nakamit ng Filipino jet ski racer na si Anton Ignacio. Noong 2023, itinanghal si Ignacio bilang pinakabatang Pilipinong kampyon sa Novice Runabout 1100 stock ng 42nd International Jet Sports Boating Association World Finals. Ngayong taon, pinagharian naman ni Ignacio ang Pro-Am Runabout 1100 stock sa Lake Havasu, Arizona, USA.
That feeling when I crossed the finish line, it's a feeling I will forever stick with me because more than the win, I feel like I made a lot of people proud at home. I know that I've been working hard for that, practicing every week, and I was really excited too.
Proud naman ng kanyang mga magulang na sina Robert at Joyce sa patuloy na pamamayagpag ng kanilang anak sa naturang sport.
Nakakatanggal ng pagod. It's overwhelming and we're very, very grateful kasi it doesn't happen every day, especially when you have one child. And that's why we take every opportunity or every race as a blessing.
Very, very proud of my son. It is something that yung dream ko na fulfill. Him winning the World Championship is sweeter than me winning it. So I'm really proud of you and keep up the good work.
Ibinahagi rin ni Ignacio na sasabak pa siya sa ikatlong round ng World Series bago matapos ang 2024.
First week of December, we have a race in Thailand, Kingstop, in Pattaya.
Daryl Oclares para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.